Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Salesforce quickly and efficiently. Whether you're completely new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll be able to set up an account like a pro. First, let's navigate to the app launcher inside Salesforce. Think of this as your main gateway. It gives you access to all the tools and sections you'll use. From here, click on the Accounts section. This is where you store all the essential details about the companies and organizations you work with. Once you're in the Accounts section, look to the top right corner and click the New button. This opens a form where you'll enter the details for your new account. The most important field here is the account name. Make sure it's clear, concise, and consistent with the naming conventions you already use in Salesforce. A well-chosen name will save you time and make searching for accounts much easier later on. Beyond the account name, there are several optional fields that can add valuable context. You can include the phone number, website, industry, and type of the account. These fields aren't mandatory, but filling them out will make your account records richer and more useful, especially if you're running reports or analytics in the future. You also have the option to link this account to other records, like contacts or opportunities. This isn't required, but it's a smart move. Linking records helps you centralize your data, making it easier to manage client relationships and collaborate with your team. Once you've filled in all the necessary and optional details, simply click Save. That's it. Your new account is now created and ready to access anytime. A well-organized account structure in Salesforce isn't just about neatness, it's about efficiency. The more structured your data, the faster you can manage information and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more quick and practical Salesforce tips and tricks that will make your work easier and more effective. Or